will examine the features and functionalities in this application. This is a good news for UK investors. Meanwhile, I'd like to tell my viewers that I am not financially incentivized by Robinhood management to carry out this presentation. Welcome to my channel and please subscribe. Thanks. The company is a financial services firm headquarters in California, United States. It offers a mobile and desktop application that helps investors to trade in stocks, gold, cryptocurrency, ETFs, etc. The application is designed for both Android and iPhone users. Robinhood UK Limited is authorized and regulated by FCA, the conduct regulator for financial services firm and financial market in the UK. This is to ensure investors' money is safe. Again, any security and cash held by the company is protected by Investor Protection Corporation Security up to $500,000, which is above £400,000, including $250,000 for claims for cash, which is more than £200,000. This is what I call a conveyance reassurance on all your assets. There is no account minimum, meaning you are going to go with as little as £1 in your account. However, like other brokers, to operate marginal account, Robinhood requires a minimum of £1,600 in your portfolio. This is a Financial Industry Regulatory Authority rules. Fractional shares. The company has introduced fractional shares. In effect, you can pay as little as £1 for a portion of share that is worth hundreds of pounds. This feature is an incentive for investors to build a diversified DIY portfolio, and you will be able to buy a variety of assets. And with fractional shares, you can own ETFs as well. Robinhood is commission free, meaning there's no charge on any security but using this platform. And with dividend reinvestment plan features, you can automate your dividend. I mean, when you take the reinvest button, your dividend is automatically reinvested, and the law of compound interest goes to work sooner. Your money generates interest, and that interest generates more interest. High yield savings. These features were recently added in December 2019. This is cash management account that currently pay between 2 to 3%. The account comes with a debit card and free ATM withdrawals for more than 750 ATM in the United States. With the cash management strategy, any uninvested cash in your brokerage account earns interest and no commission or foreign exchange fees. Okay, now imagine you, an investor, and having Robinhood debit card with access to virtually all the banks in the UK, and you're able to withdraw at no charge. This is what I call good news in United Kingdom. A new day for investors. Options trading. The platform is very user-friendly and easy to understand. The application summarizes the option table chain for easy navigation. It is much easier to implement and execute option trade with Robinhood application. Unlike other brokers, trading option with Robinhood attracts zero charges. Stock chart functionality. It is quite intuitive. You can adjust it from 1 week to 3 weeks. Again, you can customize it if and when you wanted to look at the chart for say 6 months. The application has historical graph up to 5 years. And as you scroll towards the bottom, you will see more stats, meaning you have access to companies' basic data like dividend yield, market cap, and a PE ratio. This is what I call the basic fundamentals. A good way to start your research. And with Robinhood Gold features, you would have access to premium article, level 2 market data, higher instant deposit, and trading for just say £4 or more a month. As a subscriber of Robinhood Gold account, you can borrow up to say about £800 interest free. However, in my opinion, trading with margin is not the best investment strategy. Robinhood Snacks. This features news blog where the editorial team summarizes the market each day, and this update is presently on in the UK. The company offers Bitcoin features, meaning you can trade cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. And of course, you can trade international stocks with Robinhood. You have access to US, Canada, Hong Kong, China, Singapore, Japan, UK, and European market. The company also offers free stocks as incentives. If you refer someone to Robinhood choosing the link, you will get a free stock, and the person you refer also get a free stock. And a look at the company price comparison table, you will discover that trading with Robinhood saves you lots of money. And with the company, you have access to funds immediately when you open an account. This is unique. Why? Because while your money is still being processed, Robinhood would have credited your account with, say, £800. The company make money through the practice of receiving payment for order flow known as PFOF. In the most recent quarterly report, the broker generated average payment of 0.0026 per dollar of executed trade value. This means Robinhood made 20 cents for every $1,000 in orders executed. For example, let's say you buy 10 shares of Apple and are filled at $178.50. This means 1,780.50 was traded in total, which yielded the company approximately 44 cents in PFOF. Meaning your trade is not free, you pay for it. Let's say the company transacted over $1 billion in trading volume, and applying the most recent payment metrics, this translates to say 26 million in total revenue for Robinhood from PFOF. Please note this is a common practice among brokers. The platform is user-friendly, easy to navigate. Both the mobile and the website are similar in look and feel. Hence, make it easy for investors to buy and sell. You can open accounts in both platforms in few minutes. The company also make money through stock loan programs, margin interest, and portfolio margin. That said, as an investor who resides in the UK, if and when Robinhood platform is made available to you, more so with all the features and functionalities mentioned in this video, you will generate more money with ease. No more commission paid to brokers, and your money is secured. The company has already launched and replicated the same services in the UK. Everything is set, just waiting to hear the day when Robinhood will start operation in the UK. Meanwhile, what you should do is to put your name down in the waiting list through TechCrunch. Key takeaways. Robinhood charge no commission on option trading. Customer must pay £4 per month for Robinhood Gold to trade on margin. And you can view market in-depth data, access research from Morningstar reports. And Robinhood customer can try the Gold services for 30 days for free. And with the company trading costs are very low, while cryptocurrency can be placed in small quantities. And your money is safe because it is insured. And the best comes last. Subscribe, like, and comment below. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.